So first of all, you want to make sure your PC has been disconnected from the power for a bit, at least a few minutes, before doing it. Now the first step is we need to take off the case cover. Now, we need to disconnect the CPU power and the motherboard power just as good practice. So we'll disconnect the CPU and the motherboard. So that's this one with all the big wires. Now the next step is we need to unlock the RAM DIMMs. These are the RAM DIMM slots, and we just need to unlock them by pushing back on these little white locks, and that unlocks them. Now you grab your stick of RAM and you want to connect the gold teeth, the gold connector bars, to the slot. Now there's a little divot in the slot that'll mark up and match up to your RAM stick's little divot in it, and you want to connect short side to short side, long side to long side. It's pretty straightforward. So we'll go this way in. Oh, and just don't touch the gold connectors. Touch the sides here and that. Don't touch the gold connectors. So we've got that slid in nicely. And now just push down evenly on either end of the RAM stick, and you'll hear a click when it connects in properly. I'm going to do it pretty firmly too. There we go. Boom. So now your RAM is successfully installed. There's not much else to it besides turning on your PC. You want to reconnect the CPU power and the motherboard power, of course. Really make sure they're in there. Be a bit firm with it, don't be scared. You don't want it to blow up when you turn it back on. So that's pretty well properly in there now. Just make sure you can feel where it's connecting. Yeah, that's in there now. So we will just put the case back on now. We're good to go. And that's all it really takes to add a RAM stick to your PC.